Hey foodies, what's up? Ever wonder how restaurants make that incredibly creamy and flavorful white chicken karahi? You know, the one that's so rich and delicious you just can't stop eating it. Well, today, I'm spilling the beans and showing you the secret to making it right in your own kitchen. And trust me, it's easier than you think. This recipe is a game changer. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The magic starts with high-quality chicken. I'm using bone-in pieces because that's where all the flavor is. We'll also need yogurt, fresh cream, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, and a special blend of spices. Now, here's the first secret. We're not using any red chili powder or turmeric. This dish gets its heat and aroma purely from black pepper and green chilies, which keeps that beautiful white color. All right, let's get cooking. Heat up some oil or ghee in a karahi or a wok. Add your chicken and sear it until it gets a nice light golden color on all sides. This step is crucial for locking in the juices. Now, toss in your ginger garlic paste and saute for another minute until that amazing fragrance hits you. Next, we'll add our yogurt. Here, SA Pro tip. Whisk the yogurt well before adding it to prevent it from curdling. Cook the chicken in the yogurt until the water dries up and the oil starts to separate. Now for the flavor explosion. Add in your crushed black pepper, salt, and some whole spices like green cardamoms. Give it a good mix. Then, add your sliced green chilies. The amount you add is totally up to you. Make it as mild or as spicy as you like. Let it simmer for a few minutes so the chicken really soaks up all those beautiful flavors. We're almost at the finish line. And here comes the final secret to that ultra creamy texture. Turn the heat down to low and pour in the fresh cream. Gently stir it in. You don't want to boil the cream, just heat it through. This is what gives the karahi its signature rich and velvety sauce. Let it simmer for just a couple more minutes. Garnish with some fresh julienne ginger and chopped cilantro. Look at that! A stunning restaurant-style white chicken karahi, ready to be devoured. Serve it hot with some fresh naan or roti. The chicken is so tender it falls right off the bone, and that creamy peppery gravy is just out of this world. You have to try this. Your family and friends will be seriously impressed. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more delicious secrets from my kitchen. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!